So Amazon's brilliant brain trust forced everyone back into the office to spark innovation, and now they're shocked that top AI talent is running for the exits. So what happens when you force employees into cubicles just to sit on Teams calls with colleagues from 3 buildings away? What happens when your RTO policy becomes the best recruiting tool your competitors ever had? So after watching this corporate theater unfold, I can tell you exactly why Amazon's master plan backfired spectacularly and why this could be the beginning of the end for the talent pipeline. So let's dive into this today. So Amazon's return to office mandate was supposed to be their innovation catalyst, right? Instead, it became their biggest talent repellent. The tech giant that revolutionized e-commerce can't figure out that forcing people into the offices while they still work remotely with other teams makes zero sense. So I'm going to break down today some of the big reasons why Amazon's RTO policy is bleeding top talent faster than they can hire replacements. Now, before we dive deep into this corporate disaster, leave me a comment down below because honestly, it's my favorite thing and one of the best compliments you can give me, and I read every single one. Now, Amazon executives mandated full return to office, claiming it would boost collaboration and spark a breakthrough innovation. Now, the reality check is employees are sitting in Seattle offices having Teams meetings with colleagues in different buildings, cities, and continents. So the supposed in-person collaboration magic consists of people wearing headphones at their desks talking to screens. So I've consulted with companies making the same mistake. They confuse physical presence with meaningful collaboration. When your collaborative office environment requires the same video conferencing tools as remote work, you've missed the opportunity. Now, even still, if employees don't want to come back to the office, this isn't going to spark innovation. And you can't force them to innovate. Now, Amazon spent millions on office space just to recreate the remote work experience with worse commutes. So Amazon's leadership sold RTO as essential for maintaining their innovative edge and creative breakthroughs. Now, 6 months later, where are these promised innovations that require everybody to be physically present? The company's most significant recent developments came from teams that were already working on them before the RTO mandate. Real innovation comes from psychological safety, diverse perspectives, and focused work time, not forced proximity. So I've seen more breakthrough ideas emerge from async Slack conversations than from in-room conference meetings. Amazon's innovation theater is a huge mistake. They are assuming physical location determines creative output. Now, top AI researchers and engineers are specifically avoiding Amazon due to their inflexible RTO requirements. Recruiters are reporting that candidates immediately lose interest when they mention the mandatory office presence. The competition for AI talent is fierce right now, and Amazon has just handicapped themselves with an outdated workplace policy. If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack Live video here because we've got lots more for you today.